From the distant stars to the enigmatic phenomena that still elude our understanding, the universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. And that's why we're here, to shed light on the darkness of the unknown and to discover the hidden realities that lie beyond our understanding. Join me on this journey, where we will be
exploring the truth. Today's episode, why UAP instead of UFO?
For years, UFO or unidentified flying object has been the go-to term for any aerial phenomenon that couldn't be immediately identified. From Roswell to Area 51, UFOs have been a staple in pop culture and conspiracy theories. But in recent years, there's been a shift. Government agencies, particularly in the United States, have started using the term UAP or unidentified aerial phenomena. This change isn't just about a new label, it's part of a broader effort to approach these sightings with more scientific rigor. So, why the change? Well, UFO comes with a lot of cultural baggage. It conjures up images of little green men and flying saucers, often leading to skepticism and dismissal. By using UAP, authorities aim to reframe the conversation. UAP is a more neutral term, focusing on the unknown nature of these phenomena without the extraterrestrial connotations. It allows for a broader range of explanations, from advanced foreign technologies to natural atmospheric occurrences. This change in terminology also reflects a more serious and methodical approach. The Pentagon's creation of the UAP task force in 2020, and the subsequent reports to Congress, highlight a commitment to understanding these phenomena without the stigma associated with UFOs. In these reports, it's clear that the focus is on collecting data, understanding flight patterns, and assessing potential threats. The aim is to remove the sensationalism and approach the phenomena with a scientific and security-focused perspective. So, next time you hear someone talking about UAPs, remember that it's not just a rebranding. It's part of a broader effort to take these sightings seriously and investigate them with an open mind. Let us know in your comments what you think.
This episode was brought to you by Jaunty Aliens. Click the link on the description and elevate your wardrobe with our galactic-inspired collection. Thanks for watching.